Hey guys, let's learn how to fix Instagram. Not showing gallery photos on Instagram, obviously, but you could do guys is to head on over and try it out first and actually see if the issue is still persisting. So head on over and swipe all the way to the left or rather onto the right, and then view your gallery over here onto the very bottom. And if you want to make a post, as you can see here, here's my post and stuff like that. But if you want to post something on Instagram and then, well, obviously your gallery photos just not showing, you maybe not be able to post anymore. What you could actually do is to double check your internet connection. If you have a stable one and you are not really having some lagging problems with your internet. So to do this, all you need to do is to scroll down onto your control center, click on over here and long press onto the internet bar and actually view your settings and view this Wi-Fi option. If you have a stable engine connection and you are connected. So in the case you are connected and the problem is still persisting, maybe you have some weak internet connection. So basically view your cellular data and actually view that if it is working. So go ahead and do so and view that your cellular data is still working. So go ahead and try that as well. And basically, this is a trial and error, and you should actually see what works best for you. So basically, once you have done that and tried both options, you should have one option working for you well, and you're going to be able to show your gallery photos and upload your photos on Instagram. Of course, if the problem is still persisting, you can actually head on and restart the application. So basically, remove the application from the background. And then I want you guys to launch the application again. And basically, you should be able to post your photos on Instagram. And also, you're going to have the option to view your photos from your gallery through Instagram. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.